Hey guys, good morning. Happy Mother's Day. So today is Sunday, Mother's Day. Papunta kami ngayon ng church. So magsisimba muna kami. It's almost 11 a.m. na. Late na kami. Kami lahat. Then si Daddy. Okay, mukhang marami na naman tao kasi Mother's Day.
You're the best secret of the precious on earth. Giving birth to a child.
So, kakatapos lang nung mass. Pupunta kami ngayon ng Texas Roadhouse para mag-lunch. Tapos, binigyan kami doon ng mga bulaklak, yung roses. Yung na kay Mami.
Tao.
Ito na kami, guys.
Alex, come here.
I can see from far away. Here's a flower for Mother's Day. Oh, thank you.
Another flower.
Another flower.
It's like a flower.
Thank you.
Eat.
Oh, God, it's so small. It's hot.
Okay, let's eat, guys.
Yay! Mommy, look at this burger.
I know.
Like
tiny.
broken.
Yeah, but it's like, let's eat. Wanna try?
Empty.
Ito.
Off the lap, thing. On your lap.
Just roasted baby. Hey guys, punta kami ng Bath and Body Works. Okay, hey guys! So, kakatapos na namin kumain and then nagpunta rin kami ni Mami sa Bath and Body Works. So, kami dalawa lang yung bumaba. And bala ko sanang bumili ng ng hand soap. But then, hindi maganda yung deals na meron sila. It's buy 3, get 3 free. And then, nalimutan ko din yung aking 20% off coupon sa bahay. So, hindi na lang muna ako bumili. So, nakapapunta kami ng bank para mag-withdraw ng cash, pambayad dun sa Manilay. So, tapos na yung Manilay and pipick upin namin siya dun sa bahay nung gumawa. Hey guys, so there's a change of plan. Bali ako na lang tsaka si Daddy ang pupunta doon sa bahay nung gumawa ng Manilay. And then, hindi na kami nagpunta ng bank para mag-withdraw kasi umuwi nga kami. So, meron naman akong cash. So, yun na lang yung dadalhin ko pang bayad. So, Area 51. Eto na guys! Ang cute ng bag. Na-pick up na namin ni Daddy. So, eto siya. Yan. Mamaya ito-try natin siya kay Quincy kung gaanong kahaba siya sa kanya. Wala pa siyang dress para sa graduation niya, hindi pa ako nakakabili. Well, I've been trying to look online pero wala akong makita. So hindi ko alam. Bali sa 20th pa yung graduation nila. So dapat before that day makahanap ako ng dress para sa kanya. So, ayun guys, pauwi na kami ngayon and we'll see kung ano pa yung magiging plan for today. Pero ang ganda ng weather. Ayan guys. Super sunny. So, I don't think na uulan ngayon kasi, pero this week pa yung Daddy, next week uulan. But this coming week, maraming days na uulan-ulan na naman. Let's go home. Dito na kami guys. I-ano mo, isukat mo sa kari doon ka. Yan, ganyan.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Wow, I'm a pretty princess.
Cute.
Kailangan naka ka. Dress.
Maybe like a white dress. 3, 2, 1. But every year, when that one is changing to the different one, the other one that has the fruits. What? Yay! Hey, you over there. What do you want from me? Yay! Me.